Okay, first of all, very good morning to all of you. Like you will say good morning. Yes, it's a tradition that whenever we meet sometime for the first time in the day, it's good morning. So good morning to all of you. As you see the topic teacher-student relationship yesterday and today, you get a kind of idea. It's a kind of what was there yesterday, what is it today. First of all, Pragna ma'am, just a minute. I want to ask you something. When you were, at the age of 17 to 20, like 22 or something like that, teenage or a youth, yes. Who was the person, who used to affect you the most?
I should admit it was my teacher.
Yeah, Bindi ma'am, what about you? Who is the person that affects you the most?
Teacher.
Obviously, teacher is a person in student's life, up to the age at least when you are a student, who is affecting you the most. Next, ma'am. First of all, the meaning of a teacher. If you will, before the dictionaries and all, the definition of a teacher is simply a person who teaches you. It is given on net. Okay, teacher is a person who teaches, who instructs, or who helps a learner. But in our ancient time also, and in today's world, as you all are the teachers, do you think teacher is just this person? Or still many more things are there? Obviously, yes, it's said in Gujarati કે બાળકનું મન કોરી પાટી જેવું હોય, teacher જે લખે ઈ લખાય. The base of a student, of a person is formed by a teacher. A student, a child is like wet clay. Whatever shape the teacher is giving, he will be molded in that way. Teacher is not only the person who teaches you the bookish things, but he is a person who teaches you the morals, your ethics, what you should do, what you should not do. And it's a really wide term, we can't explain also. Next, ma'am. The meaning of a student. Flora, ma'am. According to you, student?
The one who learns.
Obviously the one who learns. Nisha, ma'am.
Meaning of the students, I
Yes.
feel that they are the students who should be attached with us,
Yes.
and we should have a flow of knowledge towards them.
A student means a person who learns. And as you are aware, there is no age, no limit to
Yeah.
learn. Ma'am, at age of yours, still you are learning.
Yes.
You are learning, ma'am. So you are also learning and I am also learning. So there is no age, no limit, no bounding to learn. So student is a person who keeps on learning. And whatever topic I have selected, I have just right now gone up to school level. So next, ma'am. How is a teacher related to a student? What can be the relationship between a teacher and a student? As a parent, as a mentor, as a guide, as a problem solver, and as a friend. Next, ma'am. Now, first of all, as a parent, I'd like to talk about myself. When I joined Genius, I was just 17. I had just finished my FY BCom. I didn't have mark sheet also. And I was selected in demo. It was just a pastime activity. I'll get somewhat pocket money. And I used to love kids, but I have never thought to be a teacher. I'll be a teacher when I'll grow up. I always wanted to be something else, but I became a teacher. And on the very first day when I saw this face, he was chutku, and he made me feel like a mother. He was the person, Sumant, all the students are equal for us, but he is the one who made me feel as if I was a mother of his. And you all would be having such students who will, if he will get less marks, you will feel yeah, my child, he got less marks. And I want to tell you something. I'm not aware about all the teachers, but if I talk about myself, I used to talk to my mom, this Sumant, if I'm not that much financially capable, but if I was that much financially capable, I was I want to adopt this child and I want to take his responsibility. That much I love this student. Still I love him like anything. So, like you all would be be having such kind of children. Like and even like I want to accept one thing. Okay, my students, they are my first babies. I don't think the way I love them, I will be able to love my own baby. So they are that much important to me, and so will be to you also. So this is called a parent kind of relationship, like you would be feeling with your students. Next one, ma'am. As a mentor. Mentor is a person whom you admire the most, like whom you want to be. I had one sir, like Nilesh Rawal, Mr. Nilesh Rawal. He was the first one, and then second one was Parvez sir. Like I used to, the common factor is English. Like I used to love English a lot, and I always used to speak like English the way my teacher used to speak. Either like I have my first day of genius, and I heard you, so like your presentation or something was there, and I was like, yeah, oh, like he just keeps on speaking, and I just want to listen and listen. So this is the thing, like a mentor, you want to be like that person. And once you just decide your mentor, you get related to that person for a lifetime. And at the age of student, teacher is that person with whom he want to be connected for the lifetime. He is the person to whom a student feels to go whenever he has any kind of difficulty, whenever he has any kind of sorrow, any trouble, anything. And he's always there for you. Like you feel like whenever a student comes to you, they'll come to you, okay, ma'am, like this is the problem, I want the solution. Why? They admire you the most, that's why. Next. Again, as a guide and advisor, like you all would be doing, to guide the students. If he has got the less marks, beta, why, what happened? Have you forgotten? Yaad tha nahi likha? What is the problem? And we all would be going for the traveling purpose. We need someone, guide, to reach the destination. Same way the teacher is the guide who makes our path to the destination. And the same way he advises what should be done, what should not be done. Next. As a problem solver, as I said, your students would be coming to you. Ma'am, I have this problem. Sir, I have this problem. And why? They are not sure, are you going to solve their problem or not? But they are coming because they know you will at least listen to them. You'll listen, you'll try to find out the solution, you'll come to a conclusion. Okay, beta, please do like this, your problem will be solved. Next, ma'am, as a friend. When we used to study, at least when I was in this school, this factor was not there. I'm not aware about all of you, but as far as I'm concerned, I was not that much friendly with my teacher. I don't know why, maybe there was a kind of respect, fear, I don't know what was the thing. But nowadays you will be seeing, students are so comfortable, like you say, no? Okay, my ma'am is sometimes very strict, but sometimes she's a person with whom you can share everything. So nowadays, they are becoming like friends. And this is the thing that is, bonding a teacher and a student. Every time he doesn't need that a person keeps on teaching and teaching. Sometimes they need a hug, like a friend, at least up to 5th or 6th standard it's concerned. They just need one shoulder. So this is the thing, a friend. Next, ma'am. According to my survey, there are the few students from Genius School itself. I have given them one questionnaire I have attached over here. According to them, and even 12 person who were my colleagues, my friends, according to them, what is the difference or what is the things now I'm going to tell. According to my survey, the qualities that make teachers favorite among the students. Now this you all would be aware. Just to share what students think about it. Their teaching pattern. Obviously, if you are extraordinary with your subject, students are going to love you. You all would have seen it. Then same their extraordinary knowledge, their love and their care. It would be there in prep section. Prep section teachers. Is it true, ma'am? this much little baby, he doesn't know anything. He doesn't want anything. And not only he. Do you want this from your teacher?
Yes.
Obviously yes, starting from here to here, they need love and care. their kindness, the helping nature. Next, ma'am. The way they understand their feelings and their problems. Like this you would have faced. Okay, like sometimes your parents, they are not able to understand you, but a teacher, he can do it easily because they are dealing with you, they are teaching you so many things, so they are exactly knowing where you are lacking, where you are facing problems, how you can improve. So this is the thing, the helping nature, their pleasing personality. Like most of the students, they consider the outer appearance. Like my teacher is so beautiful, my sir looks fab and he wears like black shirt and blue jeans, awesome. So this is the thing, but if you are not beautiful, if you are not handsome, just wear a beautiful smile. It will just, like your work will be done. Just enter in the class and have a lovely smile on your face. The students will never forget this teacher. Then their friendliness, like I have already said, okay, this is the most, this is the most important factor the student want. Next, ma'am. The way they guide us, true. Okay, like the way my teacher guides me, I like him the most. Sometimes the strictness too, like I have already said, but still I would like to say, okay, like some teachers, they are not loved just because they are so loving, so caring. Sometimes the teachers are loved because they are strict. Because the students know, okay, if he is not going to be strict on us, what we are going to do. So sometimes kids do appreciate that thing also. Next one is their simplicity. Just be simple, no show off, nothing, just be yourself. Sense of humor. Like in our section, if you will ask to any of the students, okay, like among all the teachers, who is your favorite, like on part of sense of humor, they'd say Mukesh sir. Why? Okay, when he makes us laugh when he is teaching something. So this is also the thing that students admire the most. Sometimes the outer appearance, their dressing style. This is, the thing. Like whenever a new teacher will enter the class, teacher will observe a student will observe these two things first. कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं? How he or she is look wise. So this is the first thing. Obviously, according if we see on nature, this is the complementary. This is not necessary, but these are the things that students are seeing. Then their nature, their versatility, like few are good with this subject as well as another subject, as well as another activity or something like that. Next, ma'am. Like now let's discuss what kind of change they feel in teacher-student relationship from past to present. Like this is a question, like I have done this survey of 24 people, but like students, they are not aware okay, what was there in the past. But this, my friends, my colleagues, they have answered it very nicely. In past, the teachers were very strict, rigid with their thoughts, but now they have started gelling up with the students. Like first, teachers were like, okay sir, okay ma'am. This kind of thing was there. Even the teachers were also very rigid. They were not ready to accept student as a friend. But now, even we want our students to make our friends. So nowadays we have started doing this thing. Next, ma'am. Some people believe that in past, teachers were doing their duties with all the morals. Now this is one of the point that is mentioned over here. Like one of the person, she thinks that, okay, first whatever teachers were there, like as you are aware, okay, gurus and all were there. So they were morally, ethically interested in this field. But sometimes, nowadays, as I said, I started teaching just for this, to have pocket money. So most of our people, they would be running behind money. So sometimes they may lack in teaching morals and all. In past, the teachers used to command or to instruct the students. This is the point. First the teachers were like, do this. I want it to be done. But now, as we all are friends, we want to do it in a team. Okay, let's do it. Do it, nahi. Let's do it. We'll do it together. Next, ma'am. First, the teachers were used to be a facilitator who used to be a part of students' lives in just school premises. Like we are very much well aware. Okay, school khatam, we would go to home. Like no, today we had done like this. My sir said this. My ma'am said this. Enough. But now, as we are friends, my student, she calls me at night 10:30, 11. Hi ma'am, what you are doing? I say I was watching TV. Why? Arey, nothing. I was just sitting free, so I thought to talk to you. Why? Because they consider you as a friend. If they would be thinking like you are the teacher, तो teacher को तो call नहीं कर सकते at night 11. So this is the thing, this is the change we are seeing nowadays. Next, ma'am. In past, there used to be guru shishya relationship between a student and a teacher. So the teachers were to be given so much importance as if God, as if parents. It's very ancient. Like you are aware about Dronacharya, Valmiki, Vashisht. These all are the rishis who were, like gods for the persons who were, like learning over there. But now there are buddies, like, buddy kind of relationship. Like, my teacher is my best friend. I can share anything with them. So this is the change. Next, ma'am. Now let's discuss what kind of relationship should be there between a teacher. This is also written by a student. Just 2 minutes, this is also written by the students. What they do want from the teacher. There should be a bond of love and care. As I say, they need this and they really need this, and it will work like hell if you will do it. Then there should be friendly relation. Again, it's done. Next. Some kind of strictness is also required. Like a few people will say, okay, if you will be a friend, then what about the ethics and all? Like sometimes they may ask favors from you. So that depends upon you. What to believe, what not to believe. Then there should be honesty, loyalty and transparency. You should be transparent enough with your student. You should be that much transparent. If they have done any kind of wrong thing, they should come to you and they should tell you, okay, madam, see today I didn't copy. And if they tell you, it means you are literally his close friend, or he literally sees you as a close person. That's why he's sharing that he has done any wrong thing. Next one, there should be a bond of trust. Now see, he has said, okay, I have done copy. And if you'll go to sir, your section head, okay, sir, see this boy, he has done copy. It means you are breaking his trust. Don't do that. If you are really a true teacher, you make him on the right track. You tell him, don't do better. If you will do like this, your image only will go down. No need to break his trust. Next. A teacher should make the student aware of the real world. This is also one of the views from our colleagues. Like according to him, the teacher should be such like who tells the student when they'll go to market, when they'll go to real world, what he or she is going to face. The teacher should always be a guide in student's life, and he must stop. Like obviously whenever you feel your students are doing wrong, do stop them. And we all are doing. Next, ma'am. These are the names, like these all are the like people who are not students, like they are working somewhere. Next. And these are this, just a minute sir, these are the students from our school. Next sir. Thank you. I just would like to show you something. I wanted. Next. Ha. And play that sound also. And I have set the timer, so don't enter. Ha, sound. First you'll have to minimize it. It's not added over here, you'll have to play it. And now. I want you to read, please read.
really very good presentation. And at least you have proved lastly that it is affection really to the body.
Yes.
That makes a great difference only.
Yes.
So it is telling the story. But I would like to ask only one question.
Yes.
What do you see right now from the past to today, present? Our student-teacher relations are improving, or as it is, or it is
See,
now happening?
sir, sometimes it depends on us. As I said, okay, to be a friend, that's good. But when they do ask for the favors, it's on us. So it's different from person to person. Somewhat, some persons, they would be feeling, if he has asked, then let's do it.
Okay, I'm not asking the general question. That
Okay.
right, absolutely. That person by person it varies. But I'm asking.